Hiya.
I'm Jane.
Okay, nice to meet you.
You too. So, we are all curious.
About?
What part of America did you move from?
I'm sure you wouldn't know if I told you because you have been stuck here all your life. No shit, girl. Just be real. Ciao, ciao. Oh, yeah, that's exactly where I'm from. Texas, baby. Like Tex for sure. Tex. Yeah.
Alright. Where in Tex did you move back from? Charlotte and her family just moved back from Texas, UXA.
Oh, Texas! That's exactly where I moved from. Texas, baby. Tex for short. Tex for short. Oh.
Go on, talk.
OMG!
Go on, tell us.
I got a class with the principal. I have an appointment with him. I'm coming. Ciao, ciao. See you later.
Oh my gosh.
Ciao, ciao.
I'm right there. I didn't wish she.
Me too.
Wait. That's so weird.
Excuse me, no, not you. I mean you. Can I have your attention?
Oh.
Yeah. Hey, Charlotte.
Oh no, my name is Emily. I'm Charlotte's sister.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
You guys really look alike.
Yeah, we do.
Wow. Okay. You dropped your paws.
Oh no, I didn't. Thank you so much. I didn't realize.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I haven't seen you in this school.
Okay. My name is Cam, and I just resumed.
Oh, really? That's cool.
Yeah.
I can see you've got so much steez.
Yeah, you can say that again. That's my girl.
Dramatic though. I have to go now. Take care
Okay.
of yourself. Bye.
Okay. You have a nice bus though. But mine is better from United States. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna get it for you if you want. Bye. Ciao, ciao. Hello, girl. What are you doing there? Come on, try something. You want chocolate? I'm gonna give you. So in my school, in the United States of America, it's so advanced.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, we don't make use of birds, no books, nope. We don't do that.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, we make use of computers.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Right?
Yes.
My school is so amazing, like so amazing. We even have candy machines in each and every class in our school.
Candy machines?
Yeah, candy machines. You don't even need to stress yourself. You don't stress yourself. Just walk to the machine. Just say, candy. Hello, candy machine. Can I have some candy? Wow. And then the candy machine will ask you, how many candles do you want? How many candles do you want, my princess? And because I'm a candy lover, I will just say, candy, my dear candy machine. Can I have 30 candies? Wow. And then the machine will say no more, my princess. I'll start having candies all over my body.
What's your school?
Whenever you just feel like chewing something, like your gum is itching you, just walk to the candy machine. That's not even the best part of it. The best part of it is that we have a foot massage routine. Wow! An automatic foot massage routine. Wow! That's just disappointing, right?
Yes.
I know.
I trek home.
You what?
I trek home.
You what?
I trek home.
Like you trek?
Yes.
Oh my God! Do you know that your parents could be jailed because of that? That's a child abuse! Oh my God! Don't say that again! Why would you? Oh no! Don't be trekking! Don't do that! I'm gonna get you a car. A Benz,
okay,
that will be taking you from school to home. Benz to be specific.
Actually, my house is the next house after the school.
Oh, okay. Your house is not far? No. Never mind. I'm not gonna get it again. You don't need the brands anymore. Your house is not far. You can. It's walkable. It's just 2 buildings away.
We're still going to get me a Benz.
For sure. I'm gonna get it for you. You're my girl. I'll get it.
Shut Fancy. Customer. Thank you. Ati, inside. You remain only one, no? You remain only one. Thank you. Give me. You don't finish. Thank you. Una do well. Hey, Mama. My phone there. My phone don't off. Hey. But thank you. But I help me. My phone don't off. Wait till be time. 2. Hey, time don't go. Hey, what I go do now? After they go to school.
Charlotte? What's the problem? Charlotte, talk to me. What's the problem? Why are you so... Why do you look like this?
What you do for road?
Sister, don't tell you make you no come. They know they find me. They come school now.
Which one be say man no dey find you dey come school? Shebi me don't tell you. Make you dey wait. Man come dey carry you for school.
I fit come by myself. Now no be small pikin.
Which one be say you no be small pikin? You know as country take be. Country no good. You know the hear word. This girl.
Sister, no say country no good, but no dey stress yourself. I fit come back by myself.
Carry hand put for ear. You know the hear word. See, make I tell you, I no want to see you for road. They come back only you. I go they come your school, cause they carry you. You dey hear me so?
I don't hear you. Move the go, just the go.
Move they go where?
Move the go now.
Come on there.
Sister, move the go. I beg, move the go now. I beg. See here.
Oh yeah.
They find me for school now.
Make I know they find you. Only you see as road does. Only you go walk.
It's nice.
Charlotte, you're not eating.
I am.
But you're not. I have been watching you for a while now.
You know, Mom, I'll just go to my room.
But you're not done with your meal.
Oh.
Charlotte! Did anything happen at school today?
I don't know. You wouldn't talk to me either.
Continue with your meal.
Okay, are you sure? I don't tire. I don't tire.
See, you know good thing now we go reach. See our house, you no far again now.
It's good too far, sef. I don't tire.
No say if I get money now, I for pay for school bus.
No. School bus, care. People they enter private motor like Benz, they talk school bus.
Say wetin?
But I tell talk say the thing 2 day course. Sister, school bus 2 day course. It's 2 course.
Even though you say me I get money, I for still pay for you, pa.
Don't worry yourself. That one now. Another you go. They think about school fees. Continue to think about school bus again. No, don't stress yourself. And besides, see this road every day. See road where they no tie. Now only poor people now they leave people know to get money. School bus no even enter this kind of road. The entire go just the less up and down. Now every time I go to see him bus for mechanic. You know people enter yourself.
That one where you self talk not true. Well, okay, wait till I go do for you. You want make I back you?
Aye, why you go back me? If it's not picking, you want me people they laugh me.
Oh yeah, no worry, make it they go.
Ma, just try walk. Why you go back me? If it's not picking, you go back.
Don't take it.
I don't tire.
Sorry. No go take no. Yeah.
This food sweet.
You like her?
I will like her.
I buy her for mama net aside.
That woman, I mean, that woman sabi cook. Sabi cook.
I don't say you go like her. Now why I buy her?
Woman that she go dey get customer every time. Customer go full her shop.
I don't say you go like her. Now why I buy her?
Thank you. You try.
I know.
Where you drop your spoon now?
I don't belly full. May you chop.
But now only 2 spoons you don't collect. Don't drop some so you dey okay. Never eat anything now.
I don't belly full. May you chop.
People themselves say I like food. That can not mean say I no go come here say you no eat or you no eat. Better eat to auntie.
I know one chop. Chop.
Okay. Thank you. Keep your spoon one side first, make it not deceive me. As you put this spoon for you, be like say you want to collect the spoon again to eat.
You too like food. Okay. I won't begin go market. I go continue also.
No, I might just quickly eat this food. I go come and join you.
No. Me no want me go anywhere. You need to rest now. Shebi you just dey come back from school.
Ha! I never tire. I never tire. I won't follow you. Not only you I won't do the work.
Okay. I feel go and leave me, yeah?
If you stand up, I go follow you stand up. I go just drop the food. Make I just quickly finish this thing now. Make I follow you. Follow you I won't do the work. Yes, now. I never get tired. Make I follow you. Just wait for me, eh?
No,
just wait for me. I will come.
Yeah, now.
Just more time I come.
Speaking.
I'm not going to waste time. What do you want?
I don't want chop.
Never let your spoon. Carry spoon eat now. Never say I'm going to touch your hungry.
Chop! Orobo.
You go give my money today, oh. Can I owe my money?
How far now? I don't even see you before.
Why you dey greet me? Wetin be that one? Okay, give my money.
Kenny, outside you dey now. No, I go give you.
I said give my money, you dey mad. Give my money, Oga.
I said I go give you.
Hey, so they follow me, they speak English. So you said, Oga, give my money, you dey craze.
Now outside you dey now. Calm down.
How many days I don't owe me money? Give me my money, Oga.
Now 15 naira, and I make you
I go bounce you. I go bounce you for here, oh. I go bounce you for here, oh.
Calm down, Joe.
Give my money.
Go 15 naira.
Give my money. Give my money. Can I give my money? Can I give my money? Oh? Can I give my money? Oh? Can I give my money? Oh?
Take your money.
Can I pick my money now?
Okay.
Let's see the apple for here. What be that?
Tell your sister make she leave me alone.
You know, pay my money. You go pay me. You go to run for grand. I to pay my water for grand. Go pick my money. Go pick up.
Take.
I'm a big man, oh. Can I the big man? I'm the big man, oh.
Take it. Take it.
I go collect my money. I go collect am.
Nonsense.
See in head.
My pure water, you dey say, you dey get mouth like.
And they say pure water, you better fall for me. You go. You know they say anything. You be thief. Now thief you be.
You don't do.
They go catch you one day. They go burn you. They go catch you one day.
I say don't do. You know they hear what? I go dey follow you. They talk. You they do your own. What did they worry you? What did they worry? I don't tell me you know they fight people now.
Not be them. Not them dey find my trouble now. This one they want me to be water for how many weeks now?
Carry this email. They come out from here.
Why go the open money for how many weeks now?
You don't do, Jerry. Don't do. Look. No, you not go know where you supposed to.
Yeah, what?
Who's there? Please leave. I don't want to see anyone. I don't want to talk to anyone. Leave, please.
Including your lovely mom?
Mom.
My baby girl, what is it? Huh? You can always talk to mommy. What is the problem?
There's a new student in our class.
Okay.
It's just day one and everybody's just flocking around her. I've lost all my friends to that girl. I mean, I used to be the only student who has lived abroad before, but like she said, she has lived abroad before. Now everyone wants to listen to her stories. Everyone is asking her questions instead of me.
Oh.
Oh? Mom, is that what you have to say? Oh.
I mean, I understand what you're saying, but I'm very sure her stories won't be that interesting as yours. And I know that your friends, the ones who are truly your friends, won't just leave you because of a new girl. I know my daughter. You are a great child. And I'm sure your friends will consider themselves lucky to have you. What I'm saying is, just forget about this new girl. Don't worry about her. You are Charlotte, Mabel's daughter. Okay?
I'm Charlotte.
That's my girl. Now can I see a smile on my baby girl's face?
Oh, Mom, this is not time for that.
Please.
Okay.
That's more of it. Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay?
I just hope I have my friends back.
You will.
Mom, yes, I was looking for you.
My dear, I'm just trying to finish up this work.
Oh, did you talk to her?
Yeah, I did.
So what did she say?
Apparently, there is this new student stressing her up at school.
New student?
Yeah.
And how is the student stressing her?
Oh, she thinks this student is going to steal her fans and her friends away.
That's actually funny.
Yeah, it is. But you see, it's actually the first time I'm seeing her shaking up like this.
Yeah.
Charlotte used to be a very strong and vibrant student. I don't know. See how like this breaks me. And whoever this new student is, she's something else.
Of course. And apart from that, it really feels good seeing the almighty Charlotte threatened by someone.
Emily!
I'm just joking. I mean, we should have laughed instead. You know, I'll just go inside.
Okay.
Leave it to work.
Okay, let me
Take your juice. Thank you.
Look at this girl. These children will not kill me.
Sister? You never sleep.
I say make I own your uniform. Now we light day. Because if I say my leave on tomorrow, life you know day.
I know say light fit no day tomorrow. But you need to sleep now. Time don't go.
No worry. I will soon finish, yeah? I'll come join you. Okay, make I just follow you do small. No. So that. No worry. I go fit do am. You no go say now I go finish. She be there. Because if I follow you now, go do am together now, you go dey fast so that you go sleep on time. Sister. You dey worry. Go sleep. You dey go school tomorrow. Shebi you know. I rest. Good night, yeah? Thank you. Where did that one come be? See, the only thing wey me want from you na make you go school, make you learn well, make you be better person for life. Eh? Na only that thing now I wan see. You dey hear me? I go try. I know say you go do well. But you go sleep, yeah? Good night. Make you come do sleep, time don't go. Don't worry. Because if you sleep late now, it go affect you. Tomorrow it go affect you. You know, so you go work. It go affect you. I don't hear. I don't hear. Good night. Good night. Thank you.
Nkem? What be that?
Na peace, oh.
Peace, ke?
I go peace.
This early morning, so?
I don't know why peace come to hold me this early morning. Na peace, I go peace.
How they go?
Oh, I don't think so. I feel like for myself. I don't know why you stay so safe. Sister, you stay so safe.
Myself.
Oh, I no be small pikin again. I no be small pikin again. No be the school get be this. No be the school get I dey sleep for here so.
No, you make noise in my ear.
I think over myself now. I no be small pikin again now. Oh, I no be small pikin again. I no dey carry me.
Don't let that from my ear. Don't let that word.
So, in US, we call it water.
What's water again?
Yeah, that's how it's said. I mean, some people here that say water. Someone said water, water. Oh my God, water. No. That's it. Water. Like what our American language, easy peasy, like so easy.
Is it water you're calling water?
Yeah, water. That's it. Do you want to be like American? Yeah. Do you want to speak like American? Yeah. Now say water. Water. Say water. Water. Don't say water. Water. Okay. Water. Like this. Water. Water.
Okay, so wait. Okay, so what if you want to say butter? What do you say?
You say butter.
Water.
Butter.
Stop it!
No one calls water water in the States.
It depends on the part of state you're from. Yes. Say water.
Good day, class. Sit down.
Okay. Hello.
How are you today?
Fine, sir. You look good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, bring out your writing materials for a test.
Okay.
Will you keep quiet? I said bring out your writing materials for a test. Ken,
Sir.
you can sit out the tests.
No, don't say that. I can do this. I can write it. I know I can because I can. I'm gonna do this. I gotcha. Chill you. Ciao, ciao.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Ciao, ciao.
Okay. Let's.
Ciao, ciao.
It's fine.
Ciao, ciao. Whatever.
I'm sure you all must have read your books and know that you're ready for the test. Good. For you. You all did well in my test. You did well, but some of you did better. And as you all know, I love to encourage the best students in my tests. So, the best student is Kem. So I am going to hand over your gift to you.
Thank you so much, Joe. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
All right, class, I'll leave you now. Take care.
Ciao, ciao. Okay, girls. In order for you to be like me. Yeah. So cute. So cute. You like it? You like it? Yeah. Okay, girls, I'm going to the library to study. Anybody care to join me? Okay, come on, Chow Chow. Come on. Let's go.
Nila, where are you going?
Kim said we should go study at the library.
No, but we study together all the time.
I know, but I want to study with Kim. You should come with us.
Good afternoon, Mom.
Why is your face like this? What is it?
Mom, I don't want to go to that school anymore.
Why all of a sudden?
I want a change of school. Please. Good afternoon, Mom.
Good afternoon, Emily.
What is going on here?
Your sister says she wants to change school.
Why? Charlotte, why do you want to change your school now?
That's the same thing I've been asking her here. Charlotte, you can talk to us. What is it?
I don't want to go to that school anymore. That's just it. Please. Just let me be. Just change my school, please. What is wrong with her?
I don't know. Did anything happen?
Nothing I can remember. Nothing happened. Let me freshen up and come downstairs. We'll talk about it later. Yeah.
What's wrong with this girl?
If you see the way they praise me for class. Hey, Jesus.
My sister, you be now.
My head on the big. They're big. They just say, they just they call my name. Even the people, even the person where they think say they go carry the first position. No can carry am, me can carry am.
Give you right.
When they reach the time to call high school, and the high school goes to they want call to say nine, they want go. Now they can call. Everybody say, oh wow! Everybody's surprised. We will just come new.
So, me say the highest score now you get her.
Yes, now. Let me get the highest score.
I was saying never say where you go that school, oh. You just go front, go there. This was sweet.
Wait, may I show you the gift my teacher give me?
He give you gifts.
Yes, now. Easy to do intelligent. It's not easy. See,
Hey, you fine, oh.
yes, now.
This guy they give you.
Yes, now.
Hi.
This kind of pen, no be any other pen. If I want to use this kind of pen for class, that's why I could just sit down, cross my leg, carry my book, hold my pen. This girl, I can't write. People go they look me, they envy me. Hey, I wish to be like this guy. I wish to be like this guy.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I know say our mama and papa too. They go be proud of you anywhere where they dey.
Thank you.
Happy for you. But I hope say nobody they worry you for that school. No say all these rich man picking them, they all they did their body. I hope say they don't do anyhow for where they
Worry. Ha. Why you go they use me to compare those children where they use Indomie and Golden Mountain train? See what you use Akpu train. You know see man. Touch the shake. I know the gym but I get muscle. Anybody will just come now one blow 7 feet.
you give up.
That's so. Who want try me? You know see if I dey waka like this, they come for class like this. If I dey waka like this, they fear me. You know. They hate me for the waka they pass because they never see this kind of person before. This kind, you know.
You know say you fool.
Yes, nah. I would not be gallant. They waka, you know. Steals go there now. Nobody if you cross my path. They not reach.
I trust you.
They not born them.
I know what you mean. But you know why me they ask now? You know me. If anybody near you, I will give out to.
Yes, so. Yes, so now me I did this game now. Thank you. I just dey think really if I go fit just write that exam and make I get scholarship.
Sheep ke? Ha! Una don dey train sheep and goat for school.
Ha! No be wetin I mean be that o. Sister sef.
Wetin you come mean now? You know say me I no get anything for head, oya tell me.
Wetin I mean for scholarship be say e get exam wey you go write for the school. Then if I pass, then go come dey pay my school fees. You no go dey pay again.
You sure?
Yes, na be the meaning of scholarship.
Ha! I don't see that kind of deal.
E dey o. Ha! At least if I fit try write that one I pass, e go comot school wahala from your head.
Hi!
You go know say na only to pay house rent and to feed na remain.
Abi o. Me I trust you. I don't say you go fit do am. You go write her, you go pass.
I too dey intelligent. I just today. Sometimes I go just want to cry because you don't too heavy for my head. I don't feel carry on again. Too much of wisdom everywhere. Anyway, where the wisdom they follow me.
Everywhere.
I don't know. Doesn't matter even they give you some same. I don't even.
Wait me. You know say, you get wetin they talk about people who get ogo. They get sense. They know something. Now why mama and papa they come together, come give us ogo. You know see me see.
Where do you go? Now I no get ogo. Now only you want get ogo. I no get.
This is where fool here.
Where be ogo? Where mirror? I get ogo. Where mirror for this house? Man, check what I get.
Mirror.
I get ogo.
Come over here. Go cover that clothes
But
here.
no, serious. I get ogo.
You know.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning. No school today?
School? I'm not going there again.
Charlotte!
Like I told you, I don't want to go to that school anymore.
Why?
That girl has taken everything away from me. My high school, my friends, everything. I can't cope in that school. Please.
We are talking about the new girl here, aren't we?
Yes. I don't like her. I don't want to be in the same class with her. In fact, I don't want to be in the same school with her.
And since when did I raise a quitter? Huh? You are the smartest kid I've ever known. Whatever it is you put your mind to, you can achieve it. Is it not you again? This girl will only beat you if you allow her to. And I know you wouldn't want that. I believe so much in you. I know you can do this. So if you don't want this girl to beat you, you better sit up and grab back your spot. Okay? I know you can do this. That's my girl. Let me go fix your breakfast. Freshen up for school, okay?
Emily.
Hi, Kim.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Can I join you?
Of course you can. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
So tell me, how are you?
I'm great.
How are you liking our school?
It's nothing compared to my school back in the United States, but it's quite nice. Manageable.
You moved back from the United States?
Yeah.
That's great. Me too. Well, yeah. Yeah, so tell me, where in the United States did you move back from?
Sister, I beg, I feel use your phone.
Call. I hope say no be game you won't carry and play so. You know say we know they get light again.
No, I don't want to play game more. I just want to check something.
Take.
Thank you.
Stand up from there. You know since I just arranged the bed.
Sorry. California. New York. Hey, can't believe I almost got myself embarrassed today because of this. They almost catch me. Hey. California, Alabama, New York, California, Alabama, New York, California. Hey. California, Alabama, New York.
Kim?
Oh, sorry. Yeah? What did you say?
I was asking, where in the United States did you move back from?
Oh, California.
California? That's
Yeah.
great. Well, I moved from Texas.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. So where did you move?
Oh, so my dad's company sent him here on a transfer. So that's why we are all here with him.
That's nice. Great.
Thank you. You know, moving from country to country, state to state. you know now.
Yeah, I know how that feels.
Yeah, you should because you've been there before.
Of course.
That's my girl. So why did you move?
My father died, so that's why we moved.
Oh, so sorry.
It's fine. Gone past that.
I'm happy you're past that.
Yeah. Yeah, but I must say you have a nice accent.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You can see that again. You can see that again.
And you look really great, I must say.
Thank you.
What is going on here?
Hey, Jaya.
Wait, you're friends with my sister too?
Yeah, we both are in the same class.
Really?
Yeah.
That's nice. I want to talk to my sister alone.
Okay, I'll leave you both to talk.
Okay.
Ciao, ciao.
Emily, what were you doing with that girl? I don't understand. What kind of question is that? I don't like her. Please, I don't want to see you two together again. Wait, are you giving me an order? As my father or what? Emily! Wait, hold on. Is she the new girl that's been shaking you up? She is. Look, I need you to stay away from that girl.
Nope, no. You don't do that. Nope, you don't do that. You call teachers by their names. Really? Yeah. Like in my school, like in United States of America, if Mr. DK was our teacher back then, we call him Mr. DK, not uncle or sir. That's so local. So local.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Nonsense.
Hold on, please. I'm coming. Don't panic. Wait a minute. Do you know what is chow-chow?
No.
You know what is chow-chow? No. When I say chow-chow, you do like this. Chow-chow. 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 Yeah, I'm coming. Hey, Charlotte. Hey, Charlotte. Charlotte. Can you hear me? Okay. I see you. You know, the first time I met your sister, I mistakenly called her your name, thinking it was you. You guys are so identical.
Yeah, so who asked you for that piece of information?
Did I do something wrong? I mean, you've been giving me cold shoulders, cold treatment ever since I got to the school. What did I do? We're supposed to be G. We are the Americanas. We're supposed to be partners. Like Americana fellow, one love. Americana gang, like gang. Like gang. I know you got me. It's okay. I know you got me.
Stay away from my sister.
Why? Your sister and I are friends and we're cool.
She's not your friend. I said stay away from my sister.
Okay.
And I know you're fake. And I'll figure it out very soon.
Whatever. Do you believe her? No. Believe her? Whatever. Say it again.
Hey, beautiful. Mommy wants to go to the market to go get some stuff. You want to join me?
Mommy, you have to talk to Emily. She has to stop talking to that new girl in school.
Charlotte, I can't possibly tell your sister who to befriend and who not to.
But that girl has literally taken everything away from me. I don't want her to take my sister as well.
Nobody's taking your sister away from you. Nobody.
Mom, please, can you just tell her to stop talking to that girl? Please.
Okay, fine. I'll talk to her.
Okay.
I'm quite thirsty. Do you want some water?
No, I'm okay.
Okay. Okay, stop. Let me get some water. Pure water! Come. Pure water! What's wrong with this girl? Pure water!
Which girl?
At 250.
Okay, let me have 2. Okay. Oh, these girls. Okay, take. You can have it.
1,000. I'm not sure I get change.
Don't worry about the change, you can keep it.
Eh?
Yeah.
Oh, don't worry.
Don't worry.
Oh, madam, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Kem, sister? What be the meaning of that thing? Why customer go dey follow you dey talk, you go dey waka comot?
No be say I just want to waka comot like that oh. I go meet the customer like we dey answer normal customer na. Now as I just wan say pure water, now she dey begin dey tell me say I dey foolish. Dey insult me say I dey foolish, I dey mad, I dey stupid. I no even know wetin I do am oh. The thing come vex me, I come waka comot.
Why she go dey insult you now?
I no know. Ha! I just go meet and just answer am like the way we dey answer normal customer. Now she just begin dey insult me all of a sudden. I no even know wetin I even do am.
This one shock me because the same woman dash me 1k na. You say she dey insult you.
She dash you 1k.
She give me money now.
Maybe now she no just like my face. Now why? She no like my face. I don't know. Not the way person no go see for inside this business. What would they do?
Don't do.
Don't even tire yourself. More they go out. Don't they vex me self.
See, I believe my bone for that side though. See what go happen. If you just set this ones where you remain for your own bone now, you go begin they go. Yeah?
Okay.
Oh yeah now. Carry me where they go. Oh yeah.
Every time person go just see anyhow person for inside this business. So they do.
Wait, what? Mom, how does this even make sense to you?
I know, okay? You see, the last thing she needs right now is to think that this girl just showed up out of nowhere, took everything away from her, including her own sister. You need to make her understand that if every other person fancies this new girl, that she can still trust you.
Mom, I don't know how you got all of these. But you can't make me stop talking to who I like because I don't want to bruise my sister's fragile ego.
Emily!
No, Mom, she'll have to find a way to, sort herself, solve her problem without bothering me or anyone else. Please. And please, can you stop enabling her? Stop aiding her do all of these.
So what would you have me do?
I honestly don't know, but at least not this. It's not helping. Please.
Oh God. I should want to kill this house.
Emily!
You're still in school.
Yeah, my trip was running late, so I just had to.
I see.
So you're here. You're still here. How about you just hop in? Let's drop you off.
Drop me off? No way! Stop that! Stop it! So my driver is coming with my limousine. I have a driver, of course. Well, I can't drive myself. I can't.
A limousine?
Yeah, limo for short.
limo, you know. One of my toys, my babies. I have a lot of babies in my compound, you know, environments, babies everywhere.
Okay. Well, that's big. A limousine. That's really big.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's not even big. I have a private jet. That's too small. What's limousine? No, stop it. Don't be local. I have private jets everywhere from different states,
Enough
you know.
Of the stories. Tomorrow
Okay.
we can talk.
Let me just give you a
See
gist about myself, you know.
No need, okay? Thank you.
But did you happen to see my driver?
Limousine. Look, to be honest with you, I've never seen a limousine since I started schooling here. I've never seen a limousine around here.
That means he's not here yet.
Yeah.
Why is it late? I need to take my pizza. It's time for my pizza.
Pizza?
Yeah, I have a
All right.
pizza routine.
Oh, my sister is coming. See ya.
Okay. Why? Mom, I need to eat something. I told my driver, bring my pizza. Oh my god.
Which way you're going, this little girl?
Sorry. Charlotte. What? Bad energy, stay far away. 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 Bad energy, stay far away.
Oh my god. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my god, are you okay?
Yes, I did okay.
So why did you just dash into the road without looking?
I did sorry. I've been in a hurry.
Please don't do that next time.
No,
okay?
Sorry.
Are you sure you're okay?
No, Vess.
No, it's fine. Stop telling me sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please take it easy, okay?
God.
No vex, sir, come later. No vex. Sister, don't tell you say make you know they come find me for school now. I don't tell you. I know be small pikin, I go fit come back by myself.
Shebi I tell you say country no good. If you know say car nearly jam me now.
For where? Jesus Christ. Your body nko? How you do now?
I dey okay. Wetin I dey try talk be say if car nearly jam me, wetin go come do you?
This I go fit cook. Nothing go do me. I go back by myself. I no be small pikin
I
now.
no gree o. I no gree. I go come dey carry you from school.
Oh, sister, move dey go abeg, move dey go.
Yes. Hello. I'm good. Why are you here? Why are you still here?
Yes,
Oh, I see. You know, that's what I do for a living. Help people like a charity organization. Help people here and there, here and there, here and there.
that is so nice of you.
Yeah, I know, right?
Let me quickly rush to the classroom and get my book. I
Okay.
can't wait to enter your limousine.
Wait, I know you can't. Me too. I can't wait for you to enter my limousine.
Yeah.
Limo for shot. Limo for shot. Have you seen my plane?
No.
My private jet?
No.
You haven't? I will show you. Let me go. Okay. Ciao, ciao.
Abeg, move dey go.
Na your friend be that?
Na my friend. You go.
For tell me ma for greet
You
her
go
now.
see am later. I want shit. I want peace. I want bath. I want they catch me.
Emily,
Yes, Mom.
Charlotte said she saw you talking to the new girl.
Yeah, okay.
I thought we talked about this.
Of course we did, but I never agreed to it, right?
Emily!
Mom, why are you doing this? Why are you making Charlotte feel like the whole world revolves around her?
This isn't about that!
Then what is this about? Charlotte, a new student came to your class and everyone seems to like her. What is wrong about that? Before now, when you came into that school newly and took the spots of the most popular students in the art class, didn't you think there was someone you were taking her place? I'm sure the girl didn't make so much fuss about it as you are now.
Emily!
Mom, please. Let me finish. Charlotte, if you want to top everyone in your class and become the most popular student in the art class, you have to work hard. Work harder than everyone else. That is the way to get high. You don't tell me not to talk to whoever I want to talk to because of you. Oh, I see what this is about. Wait, so you've been jealous of me? You've always been jealous of the fact that I've always been the most popular student in the art class. And you've never been as popular as I was in the science class, right? Right? I'm going to talk to Kem and every other person I like. Whether you like it or not. Excuse me, Mom. I'd like to go upstairs now. Mom. You have to talk to that girl again. You have to talk to her again.
Nkem, come chop, make we dey go. Nkem! Hey! This girl don't let me go school. But I tell her she no dey waka alone now. Eh? She no even chop her food. And she no tell me before she dey go. Hi! Hi! She don't go forget her book. Oh. Hey! She fit need her for school. Better I go do now. I have to go give her for school. Oh.
You know how these guys, this writer is so good and tell me
Afternoon, no. Afternoon.
good afternoon.
I beg, I define person. Your name na Nkem Ubuja.
I don't know how.
I don't know. You did this school. Now my sister.
Which class is she?
She did SS2 art class.
SS2
Art class.
Okay, let me take you to the class.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'm coming, just wait.
So back in the States, in my previous school, United States of America. So whenever we're tired, we go to the school living room, sit back on the television, relax.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
While relaxing, they're gonna give you refreshment like chocolate, ice cream, marshmallows, fruit juice. Yeah. You need to visit my school. It's like heaven.
This SS2 art class.
Thank you. Don't see her. Okay. Happy to Hi, class.
Hi. Excuse me, who are you?
I'm Nkem's sister.
And who is Nkem?
Nkem. Oh, it's true. I saw you a few days ago in front of the school gate. Kim, you said she's a homeless person you wanted to help.
Yeah, ordinary common bush local girl.
Nkem, now what you tell her be that?
Isn't that what you are?
Say I be homeless person.
Isn't that what you are? Look, girls, this lady in front of you can never, ever, ew, oh my god, can never be my sister. I'm the have a sister in the world is this local thing. This local champion with a dirty scarf will be my sister. Oh, ew. Say something else, not this. Stop it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I told you several times to stop calling me Kem. What is it, Kem? Kem. My name is Kem, not Kem. Oh my god, this is why I hate to help poor people. Poor people. This lady right in front of you came to me a few days ago saying that she's homeless. She needed help. Yes. She needed help. And you know me. You know your girl. Yes. I will help her, of course. Yes. So I took her to my house. My mansion. My parents got her employed as my house help. Oh. The only connection I have between me and her is me being her boss and she being my house help. Yes. Right. Oh my god, you were getting on my nerves. I told you to stop calling me Kem. You know what? You're fired. I will make sure my parents fire you. Yes. I will take your 1 month salary from you. I will take the clothes I got from you from UK. You'll be clothless.
Kem, Nami, you dey follow talk.
Yes.
Nami, your sister, you dey follow talk. Nami,
why you trying to embarrass me? Nami, who is this local champion? Is it a crime to help poor people? No. Is it a crime to help poor people, girl? Yes, can you do this? Get out of your class. Go, man. Get out.
Oh no, I'm so ungrateful.
Shush! Ew! Oh my god. Look at her hair! Crazy. Look at her hair. Did you see the lights? Just come. Did you see the lights? So ew! Wow. Yeah. I need to. Some people are crazy. You can say that again. Oh my god. Yeah? Is that girl really not your sister? You just had me say that already.
But it makes sense that your name is Nkem and not Kem. And I can see the resemblance between the both of you.
Don't mind her. She's never my sister and can never be my sister. Yes.
I don't believe you, Kem.
Whatever. I don't care. Back to our discussion.
Look, Kem, I will get to the end of this.
Be my guest. Killjoy. Shush. As I was saying. Shush. Don't get me pissed. I'm already pissed off. I need to clean my sweat. I'm already sweating. Oh no. Oh no. This thing is so exhausting.
Oh my.
Sorry, no best. I don't see you. Okay.
You? Why are you crying? What's the matter? Talk to me, please. Come. You mean your sister denied you? Why would she do something like that?
No. I just say make I carry this book where she forget for house, can't give her for school.
What? You mean your sister denied you in front of the whole class? Why would she do something like that?
I don't know. I just say make I carry this book, can't give her for school. Let everything begin.
You know what? I need you to tell me her name. Tell me her name and her class. Let me punish her. So that she won't do this again.
No need.
What do you mean no need? I need to discipline her so that she won't try it again. And if she's in a class above mine, I will just report her to the school authorities since I can't punish her. Just give me her name.
No, you feel punish am too much. I no go like am. I just tell you wetin happen because the thing heavy for my chest. Heavy.
It's okay.
Now why I tell you make for reduce. Make no dey too heavy me again.
It's okay.
How my sister go do me like this?
It's okay, please stop crying, please.
How my sister go deny me for her class? Tell her say you don't know me.
It's okay, please, it's okay. But wait, why are you also not in school? You don't go to school?
I go see money. I won't see money from. All the money I don't gather, so now I carry tape put her for this school.
Yet she denied you.
Okay. What work do you do? What do you do for a living?
They sell water for markets.
You hawk?
Now there they go so. I can say my give and this thing go school first.
No, this is not good. I don't like the fact that you hawk in the market. You could get hurt. You know what? I'll just I'll do something about it. I'll talk to my mother. If she can give you a job, maybe at our house, where she works, or somewhere, anywhere, so that you can stop hawking in this market, okay?
You won't help me?
Yes.
You go do it for me?
Of course I will.
God bless you.
Okay.
God bless you.
No, please, it's okay.
God bless you for me.
It's okay.
Hi. They still don't even know me. Now they help me.
So I want you to stop crying, okay? Stop crying.
No, well, I don't hear. I don't stop. Thank you. God will bless you for me.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Come on for my body.
Sister. I beg. I don't mean it that way. I swear I don't mean it that way.
Be your sister. I dey ask you question, Kendall. Who be your sister?
You be my sister. You be my sister.
Me, I be your sister. So now I don't turn your sister. Shebi you tell them for school say you don't know me. So I be your sister.
I fit explain, I beg. Just try to hear me out. I fit explain.
I don't want to hear anything from you. I don't want to hear any explanation.
I beg.
You call me local. You call me maid. You tell them say you don't know me for your school. I be no be waiting you talk.
I beg, I don't mean that way. I beg, I don't mean that. I beg.
No one may you explain anything, give me. You tell me anything. After everything, when we don't suffer for you. Okay, you small. You small when mama and papa died through away for accidents. Now me begin to take care of you. How they suffer. How they work for sun. How they work for rain. How they work for night. How they work for money. I fit still see money. They give you food, may they chop. May you feed they wear clothes. May you feed they go school. This school safe where they go. I know as I take hustle when you did this school. I for leave you for that backyard school where you been there. But you get what I no do. I hear say una teacher no dey teach una well. Say teacher go enter class, he go use pidgin, they teach English. I say no, I no fit leave you for that kind of school. I begin hustle. I even go borrow money. Make I put you for this school where you did so.
I beg.
I look me finish today. Deny me for your school today. Say you don't know me.
Hey.
Say I be your maid.
Hey. I beg.
Say you pick me for road.
Came you pick me for road.
I don't fit that
You pick me for road.
I don't fit that I know it. I beg.
They beg me.
I beg. I don't mean that way.
You know me now, wetin you call me?
I say I don't mean that way.
Wetin you call me?
This school, that school. I need to pretend. I need to pretend now. Why I do like that? I need to pretend say I get money. If not, they treat me bad. They bully me. I don't get choice now. Why I beg? I beg.
Oh, yeah.
I beg.
Don't do.
I beg. No face.
Don't do.
Hey, wetin I don't go do now?
Don't do.
Wetin I don't go do by myself now? Wetin I don't go
No dey cry, don't do. You go make me dey cry now. I say don't do. Don't do. No dey cry. You don't do.
Because of people.
You don't do. No dey cry again.
Because of person. I don't go to am again. I
You never tell you say don't do. Don't do. You don't do. No dey cry. No dey cry.
Take me this. I don't go to am again. I go deny my own sister.
Don't do.
For public.
Why you say go dey do like that now? Why you go dey hide who you be?
I beg.
You no make sense now.
I beg no face.
You don't do. If anybody treat you bad, you know say what you go do now to go meet your teacher. You tell her. Now why you get teacher be that? You don't do.
I don't be looking for face. I don't be looking for face.
You don't do.
I don't be looking for face.
You can stand up. You be my sister. No.
Shame they hold me. I don't be looking for face. I don't be looking for face. Where did I don't go to?
Don't do. Don't do. No dey cry again. I say don't do. Look, I don't forgive you. No dey cry.
I don't be looking for face. Shame they hold me. Shame they hold me. Shame they hold me. I beg no face for me.
See what you go do. I know the best again. Go comot your clothes.
How are you?
I'm fine, dear.
I actually want to talk to you about something.
Okay. What's the problem?
It's about a friend. She's kind of stranded and she needs a job. So I was thinking, can you give her a job as a help or something? Just...
Emily, you know I'm not always comfortable having strangers in my house.
I know, Mom. But this person is not a stranger. She's my friend. I know her. She will not do anything that you wouldn't like. Please, Mom, please. Help, please. Please, Mom.
Okay. Send her tomorrow.
Okay.
If I like her, she gets the job. If I don't, you already know the answer.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay.
Alright, I was actually doing my assignment before I remembered this and I decided to come and sort it out with you immediately.
Okay, go finish up then.
Okay. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
I hope she gets the job.
Okay. Huh? I dey come.
Okay, wetin you dey do now? Come make we dey go. Wetin happen?
Oh yeah, now we dey go. I don ready.
Why you dress like this?
I dey try to protect myself from sun. You know say sun dey too much these days. Man no come go get sunburn for my face. You know say sun dey too much these days.
Now you dress like this?
Yes now. No wan make sun touch my fine face. You know say I too fine. I just no wan spoil
I dey make we dey go jare.
Listen sef.
Hello? Wetin I dey use myself do? I go dey come now. No wahala. Send her for me. Thank you.
Sorry, they make all this smile. What happened?
Hey! Game. I don't get work.
I don't understand. Like, you mean work like job, like normal job.
You know, hear me well. I say work don't day.
Hey, this is not good news, though. Don't be smart, you know. I say, who give you job? How? Where?
Bless her, she don't send her.
Who be that?
She don't send the address. See, Kim. Yeah? Keep all these things, just keep her. Ma, go see them. Yeah?
I wait for you.
Ma, go see them. I dey come.
Okay.
Yeah?
No wahala.
Okay.
No need to check yourself. They go. You're already fine. No need powder.
If I come back, I will just see everything.
Okay.
Yeah?
Then get the job, bro. Hey. You'll soon get job. You can relax small. Wait for them to come. Abi, I no get choice now. Hey.
Who is there? Hold on. You?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. You? The pure water girl.
Ma, now you buy water from me that day, can't dash me money. Hi, thank you so much. You don't know what that money do for me, oh. Thank you.
It's fine. You're the one my daughter was talking about.
Yes, ma.
Oh, wow.
Mommy.
Okay, come in.
Thank you, ma.
You can sit.
Okay. Thank you, ma.
Yeah. Okay, so you can do house chores very well.
Well, ma. I feel do anything.
Okay. When can you start?
I feel start now. If you want make I start now.
No. How about next week? Maybe you can be coming after school.
No, I know they go school.
Why?
Madam, now only me and my sister, my parents born. And they don't die. So now me they hustle, they take care of my sister. That make me say, make her just hustle. Me they go school. I feel go later when it don't finish.
Wow. Your sister must be so lucky to have you.
Thank you, ma.
Okay, let's talk salary. How about 100,000 for a start?
100,000. Ha! Madam, thank you. Thank you, ma.
What's this?
Thank you.
Get up!
Hey!
My dear, get up.
What the? Hey! 100. Thank you, ma. God bless you, ma.
It's okay.
Someone wish never come by this time. Time don't go. He has done it for me. He has done it for me. Hey. He has done it for me. He has done it for me. What my mother cannot do. He has done it for me. Wait, you happen. Talk. I know they have me. That's like. Hey! That's seven. Wait, you happen.
Okay. God don't butter our bread.
Hey.
You no go believe this one.
Wait, you happen. I think it's the good news. Talk now.
I don't get job.
Yeah? Like, for real, you don't get job.
This is why they say, I don't get job.
Ha!
You remember that day why I tell you say, motor nearly jammed me? The girl will come out from the car that day. I meet her for your school. That day where I carry book can't give you for school, where that thing happen. Now see her. She can't see me as I dey cry. I can't tell her everything finish. And she can't tell me say, make her no worry. So she dey follow her mama talk for me.
Ew.
And she do am. If mama can call me.
Ew.
Hey!
Person a better person.
Don't be smart, you know. Make I tell you something. Do you know what I see as I reach the house?
You
remember that day when they sell water? Where one woman dash me 1K? Where it all say the customer they cost you? Think now, you know remember that day when person give me money?
Scarlett, mama.
No be Charlotte. I don't know where they talk, but not the woman that I see for the house. Hey! Omo! Don't be smart, you know.
Wait, that person will say he go tell him mama, he go talk to mama about you to give you job. What will be the person name?
Nah, Emily. Emily? Me no know as they take call Emily. Anyone. Now the girl. Hey! Now the mama tell me say he go dey pay me 100,000. Don't be smart, you know. He go pay me 100,000. He go still they give me food. He go do this one. Hey! As the NPC as they take the time, the woman a nice person. The house is room 5. You supposed go there. If you see your house, he fine. Don't be this away person dey for this place like this.
Na fine person, na nice person, na fine person.
If I there, you supposed follow me go there.
Okay.
Hey! Come on. That place is fine.
Yes.
If you see their mansion, big. I never see that kind of house before. They get money. No one that she give me money that day. She don't just ordinary pure water wey they say give me 1,000. Ah, that woman a better person. God go bless her for you. God go bless her. Even that your daughter Emily, God go bless her. Hey! Omo, I happy Hey! God thank you for today oh.
I happy.
Pam 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 pam.
Good afternoon, Mom.
Afternoon. Where is your sister?
She's coming. She wants to sort the bills for the car.
So, how was the birthday party?
Oh, it was great. It was good. Mom, I'll be upstairs now. Take care of yourself. Hi, Mom.
Hey, baby.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, my love. Charlotte said that you people had fun.
Oh yeah, we did. It was great. The party was enjoyable. We enjoyed it.
Okay.
So, Mom, about today.
What?
I mean, Ada, did she come?
Oh, yeah, she did.
Oh.
Yeah.
And
You know, I've actually met her before. Yeah.
really?
Yes. That girl is a hustler. I
Oh.
love her spirit.
Wow, that's wonderful then. So, did she get the job? Don't say no, Mom, please.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mom.
Welcome. She starts next week.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mom.
Anything for my beautiful baby.
Thank you. All right, I'll be upstairs now. I'd like to freshen up and rest. But if you need anything, just call me. If you need to gist, if you need to talk, I got you. All right.
That's my girl.
Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you so much for the job where you
gave me. But I know once again, I don't change my mind. I no go take the job again. Thank you, ma.
Okay. Okay. Abba, you help me see my phone.
Your phone?
Hey.
But I didn't see your phone for your hand before now.
Hi. I don't know where I keep them. They do me like sitting at this bed. I've been at the table.
You no go lost now. You go dey house. You know phone no dey waka now. You no go lost. Now to find out, might help you find out. Phone where I see you with before.
Nothing be here now.
But I see am for your hand before now.
I don't even come check here.
Now wow. Wait. No check that side. I go help you check am.
Hey. I go keep this thing.
Phone way dey here before.
Maybe I can't go fetch water.
Go check for that way side. Maybe na that place you put her.
Hey. I go lost this phone.
No worry, you no lost am, eh? You go there around. Check am where.
Look. I just sent it.
She's no more interested in the job?
Apparently.
What could have happened?
I don't know.
I mean, she was very excited the day I gave her this job. Okay, did you try reaching her to know what happened?
Yes, I've dialed her number like twice, but saying switched off.
This is weird.
Right?
Yeah. I think something is wrong somewhere.
You know what? Maybe we're exaggerating. Let me just dial her number again and check if it's just a network.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be back. Let me try again. I'm coming.
Nkem, you know they go to school today. Nkem, which kind of thing be this one? What did they do you?
My head, my whole body, everywhere they pain me.
God, I beg go. When this one start?
I don't know. I dey fear. Hey. I dey fear say something go happen to me.
God forbid. God no go gree. Devil dey lie. You dey hear me so? Nothing go do you. Yeah? See, make I go buy you medicine. You dey hear me? Cover your body there.
Okay.
Don't worry. I dey go buy you medicine now. You dey hear me so? No want this fan again, no.
Okay.
You dey hear?
Okay.
I dey come. Keep that money.
My head, my body, my head, my body. Oh yeah.
Hey, thank God. Hey, I don't want me to go that place. I don't want me to work for that girl. Hey, you go cast for me, oh. You go cast. Thank God say the thing dey work. Why she even open this thing downstairs? Wait, oh, I can't die for it because of say I dey form sickness and the man go on far. What you say she come see say this fan dey on? You know me, I go run offer. I no fit die because of say I dey pretend.
I bet you. Open your mouth now, Nkem. Hi. Chop. Hi. Therefore, you dey lie, yo. My sister will sabi chop food now. You know if you chop well. No, please.
I don't want to eat again.
Hi.
I don't don't get that appetite to eat. You know they do me to eat. You know they pass my throat, Sef.
Okay.
Make I no go vomit. Make I lie down first. They do me to vomit.
No. See, wait now. No vomit, okay? No do like that. Eh? See, if you chop finish, take your medicine, you go lie down. Yeah?
Wait, make I lie down. I no vomit. The thing they do me, they come my throat. Oh.
See, small. You cannot do like this now. You go vomit everything where you don't chop already.
Oh yeah, now make I lie down now.
Wait, just stay small.
Make I lie down. I won't lie down.
I think they do this girl. See, no verse, sit down like this small. Okay, see what to go happen. Just chop 3 spoons. I will give you medicine, you will come like that. Yeah? I beg you. Wait, open your mouth. Thank you. They chop.
But today is supposed to start that work.
Naim, but I no fit leave you like this now. And you know say I dey find my phone since morning. If to say I been see am now, I for call them tell them wetin dey happen. Make dem know say I no fit come. But no worry, I will just go their house, tell them wetin dey happen. Yeah? Just chop.
No vex. Na because of me I no go wan go this work again.
Don't talk that thing again. Don't talk am. See, make I tell you something. Now you be the only person who I get for this world. Like this. So I no feel leave you if you never do okay. If you do okay, then I go. But if you no do okay, I no go anywhere. I go there with you. Yeah? Sure. Now mama neck arise so. You know say you dey like am.
You no come sweet for my mouth again. The thing dey taste water.
For me too. Wait, so I give you water. Hey, drink small, yeah? Sorry.
All those salt and mangi where they make food dey sweet. I no dey even dey see the salt again. I no even the taste no dey.
Because say you get malaria now.
Don't be like say I dey chop water for plate. Hey, Jesus. Only small pretend, when I pretend, now devil won't use to punish me. I beg make I collect breeze before I go faint for you. Now pretend, I no do any other. Jesus.
Dinner. Thank God. You know they shake again. And your body know they hot.
It dey hurt me. It dey hurt me inside. Internal hurting.
Inside?
Yeah. Hey, feel now. Now me wear shoe now as they pain me.
Hey. Sorry.
You no go notice. Now internal hurting.
Sorry. The thing be say I won't go there Emily's side. Why if you tell them why I no come work? Say you dey sick. She be feed alone.
You say they go where again?
Emily them side now.
Okay.
Let me go tell them why I no come. Yeah?
Okay.
Just no on this fan, no. Yeah? At least you don't dey better now.
Hey, my head. Yeah, my head.
What happened?
I don't feel on my head again.
What you do for head?
Yeah. You having me.
You having you?
Yeah, I don't feel. I have you.
Can't be this one.
I don't feel. It's having me. I don't feel control my head again. I don't feel control my head again.
What be this one again?
Leave my sister.
Hey, okay. What is it? Are you okay?
Hey, not dream.
Dream. Hey. Okay. You did dream for afternoon?
Nightmare.
How you say they get nightmare for afternoon? I think in the night they get that.
Hey.
Oh, what happen?
I dream say that person where you won't go work for. That woman where you won't work for. The woman, she won't do you bad thing. She won't put you for jail where you no do anything.
Jail, okay? Okay. Not dream now. I just dream.
No talk say na dream. You know as my dream they be now. If I dream, the thing they always come to pass. You know say I supposed to be prophetess. And only because I never want to answer my calling now. Why?
I know, but I still dream. Yeah? Until they happen.
No be only dream, no be just dream. My dream they always come to pass. Okay, see that time when I talk to my mind, Uchechi go fall for step. Say I dream. Did you know for? Check all those times now. Okay. If to say now mere dreams, you never see say all those signs the way they happen today. First of all, you define your phone where you deal with before. You no come see your phone again. And now I come they fall sick. Now again I come they dream this nightmare. But wait, why person could just see you can't talk say na 100k they won't give you for cleaning job what you want to do? No, she say na you think they somehow. But be say you even family them.
Okay. The 100k no be free now. I go work for them. What be say they won't dash me?
You don't see say they don't pay 100k for cleaning job way then they do. Ha! Never see that one no. No go the work. I take it is the inside of me. In that part of me. They tell me say something go happen for that work. No go there.
You don't do talk. May your head not begin to.
You don't even start again.
Sorry. See I'm now.
You don't heavy me again. You don't heavy me. You. Now this side, now this side. Hold on for you.
This side.
Now yeah. Okay. Hold on. Sister, I beg me to just manage this job now. This about pure water work what they do. I can manage them.
I go think about them.
I can know where our problem they come from.
I don't hear you. I go think.
My enemy don't put stone for my head now. I wonder what if they can't put stone for my head. If you can't go that place, maybe na rock they go put for your own head. If I they think you go come they think see, you don't go fit think straight well again.
No way.
But just they think left, no right again.
I don't hear.
Go give person 5 pure water for 50 naira. Me, I don't want to do that one.
You don't do. You too talk,
My head. Put them all up for you. Now my jaw, it don't call. It don't call my throat. I don't.
You don't do it. See.
Now my throat, it don't do. And they don't put up
you like that. Okay. What do you do?
I dey go school.
You dey go school, ke?
Yes,
you never wear now.
I don't wear now. I dress go school.
No, you go need like that, make you rest.
No. I say I won't go school. I don't dey okay now. I don't dey. You don't trust me. They see me now. They bounce. Don't make me do this.
That's true.
I don't dey okay. No stress yourself.
You sure, ba?
You say your sister na strong girl.
You sure?
Yes, ma. I know all those children when say if they're sick, they go stay like 1 week before they go come away. Now the next day they can't pay.
My address now. My carry they go.
You see?
My carry they go school.
Sister, I don't tell you how many times. Say I'm no need to carry me they go school. I not be small picking now. I could go by myself. I don't know why you like to stress yourself like this.
I beg, dress.
You stress yourself every time.
Yeah.
Fine, K.
Let's see that one. Now your mama is there.
No, they go. As you won't follow me.
It's okay.
Yeah?
Why didn't you come to school? We were worried about you.
Oh well, I made a trip to the Maldives with my father for 3 days.
Wow. How was
it? Trips here and there, so spectacular.
Wow.
Maldives is the most beautiful place I've ever seen.
Wow.
You need to be there, you know.
Are you sure you were really at the Maldives?
Why would I say I was if I wasn't?
I don't know. Maybe you...
Then shut up!
Don't you dare say that kind of thing again.
I'll say it again and again and again. Shut up! Don't you dare say that kind of thing again. No, let me do it. Let me do it. Let me just do it. Let me... Okay, calm down. Let's go. Let her go. Let me handle her. I'm gonna handle her. No, please. Sir, please stop. Mr. Samuel, please stop.
What was it?
Just, please, just stop.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Ada, what happened?
Hi. I sabi sir no do well oh. I for call
She
but my
sent
phone
that message and disappeared into thin air.
message ke.
Yes.
No, I no send any message oh. I no send
No,
message.
you did.
No, I no send message. I no
Wait,
send.
let me show you. There's a message that came, and is this not your number? This is your number, and this is the message you sent, and I didn't even expect it. That was so
My
sudden.
number be this oh. What? I no send any message.
How? So who sent the message if you didn't?
Wait oh. Be like say na Nkem send this message.
And who's in Kem?
Nkem na my sister oh.
So why would she send this kind of message?
My sister. Emily.
Kem?
You sabi my sister.
Your sister?
Na my sister be this.
What?
You sabi am Nkem?
Sister.
Now you send that message. Give Emily. No be you.
Mommy.
Hey. Where my phone? Where my phone there?
I don't know.
Nkem, no let me carry this grace within my body. Pour for your body now. I say where my phone there? Go bring her where you keep her. I don't hear you talk. Chimo. Nkem. Wait. Now this thing don't they come back small. That time when you tell me say you dey sick. You true dey sick. You know they sick. The dream unko. You dream.
But I don't want to make you get the job. I don't want to make you go that job.
Jesus Christ. You know what make I get a job? You know what make I go the job? Okay? You. So you like us with the suffer so? You like us me and you take day? You know what 100,000 for do for us? You know the things where I feel use that 100,000 do? Now you better take water for my hand. Okay? Because of you. So as you dey small so, na evil na full your body. Na evil na dey your body so. Okay. I regret saying you be my sister.
My sister don't talk like that now. Sister, no talk like that now. Sister, I beg, no talk like that now. Sister, why you go talk like this? Sister.
No near me oh. Dey that place where you dey.
Sister, why you go talk like this now? Sister. Emily.
What is it?
Please, can you not tell anyone the truth about me? Especially your sister, Charlotte, please.
Are you serious right now?
Please.
You hurt your sister badly. And the only thing you're interested in is people finding out about you. Really? You're a very wicked person. Don't you ever come around me again. We're done being friends.
What's going on?
Yeah, ciao ciao, bye bye, catch ya. We are good. Alrighty, let's just go. Are you not okay? Are you good? Oh my god. Auntie, I don't come back, oh. Sister, I don't come back. Hey, sister. Do someone you did for ground. What did happen? Sister, why you dey ground like this now? Sister, hey, sister, hey, Jesus, somebody help me, oh, sister, Auntie Ruth, Auntie Sekina, where una dey? Abeg, make una help me, oh, my auntie don't fall for ground, my sister don't fall for ground, abeg, oh, sister, Auntie Ruth, oh, Auntie Sekina, where una dey? Abeg, sister, talk to me now, na me dey here, na don't come now, sister, wait, I don't know what to happen for you. Why you say you don't come? I don't know what to do, my sister. Don't see a program like this. I don't know carry am go to. Hey, Jesus. Hey, sister. Hey, what did happen? Hey, I beg now. No vex. Anything I don't do you for this life, no vex. Just open your eye for me.
What did I go do?
You still dey here dey cry?
Wetin I go do now? Auntie shaking now, wetin I go do? Na 500,000 naira. They want you to do my sister operation. 500,000. I want to see that kind of money now. You sef check am now. I want to see that kind of money. No be pure other business we dey do for here. My God. And they need to do the operation fast. Now wetin the doctor tell me. Doctor say make I go find 500,000 naira. If they don't do the operation fast, my sister fit die.
God forbid. Nothing go happen to your sister. Nothing go do am. Hi, but this money too much. How you won't get this kind of money now?
My sister fit die.
Hey, God, no dey talk that one. Nothing go do your
my
sister.
My sister na the only person I get for this life. I don't get papa. I don't get papa.
I know.
I don't get anybody.
You need to be strong. I know now you go dey look your sister.
I don't fit there if my sister no dey. I don't fit there. I don't go survive, mama. I don't get any other person. No, now my sister be my mama, my everything. My sister, my papa, my everything. I don't get any person again.
Sorry.
So today, class, we're looking into the 5 basic markets, and we have Kim. Come, get up. Kim, why are you crying? Come. Talk to me. Why are you crying?
Don't worry. I'll be fine. Don't worry.
No, you can't say that. What is the matter? Talk to me.
My sister is sick.
Sick?
I thought you don't have a sister.
Right. I have a sister, a very caring sister.
It's okay, let's hear her out. Where is your sister?
My sister is at the hospital.
Okay.
Doctor, they're asking for 500,000 to start our operation. And I don't have any of that. I can't bukata for my own sister. I don't have any of that.
Well, it's just 500,000 naira now. I thought you were rich.
I don't have money. I don't have money.
Quiet, class. Can we hear her out? Please go ahead.
My name is Chidi. The lady that walked here the other day that I called homeless is my sister.
It's okay.
I didn't move from the United States.
Ha! So all this is all fake. Hey!
My sister and I are orphans. We don't have mother and our father. We sell pure water on the street to survive. Pure water. And even at that, my sister tried all she did to put me in this school. She did all her best. She tried she acted like my mother. She did all her best to put me in this school so that I can have a better education. I have never been to a private school in my life before.
Even on this wasting our energy.
It's not like that. I can't explain. Before I came to this school, I heard that it's only rich men's children that normally attend this school. And if you're not rich, they're not going to treat you well. I didn't have choice. I had to be among. I didn't have choice. I had to lie. I had to fake my identity.
You can lie, you.
It's not like that. It's not like that. I can't explain.
Explain what?
I don't want to get bullied. In my public school, I was humiliated and bullied all my life. When I was coming to this school, I made a decision. I said that I will never be bullied. I don't have any other thing to think of than to fake my identity. This is not me.
So wait. So wait. Let's be sure. So you're poor.
I don't have money. This is not me. I don't lie. This is not me. I'm a very humble person.
Humble what?
It's okay. Quiet. Thank you. Look, it takes courage to do what Kem has just done. Yes, she lied in the first place, but we all lie. Now you listen to me. I do not want any one of you make fun of her because of this. Did you hear me? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's go to my office.
Please forgive me, please. I'm not like that. Please, I beg you.
to hug or what?
Kem is a liar! Kem is a liar!
Kem is a liar! Kem is a liar! Kem is a liar! Kem is a liar! Kem is a liar!
Class, you don't tell us what to do.
I will. I am the prefect of this class.
Doesn't mean you can order us around. Oh, wait. Did you also lie about living in the States? Or are you a bricklayer yourself?
Oh, and what if I am?
Shut up again, my liar! 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 Enough, class!
Say that one more time and I will deal with you. I will deal with you to the point that when you look in the mirror, you will only see a small picture of yourself. Try me! Try me and I will report you to Mr. DK immediately. Who wants to dare me? Huh?
I'm sorry for lying to you.
How could you do that? I mean your own sister?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
How is she now?
She really needs the operation. My sister needs the operation. Miss DK already donated 100,000.
That is so nice of her.
Oh, my sister to die. She's the only one I am. I'm so scared. I'm scared. I will not be able to forgive myself if anything happens to her. It's all my fault.
Don't worry. I'll talk to my parents when I get home. Okay?
Really?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so sorry for lying to you once again.
It's okay. My sister told me everything.
You're right. I'm so sorry. I shouldn't have lied about myself. I shouldn't have faked anything from the start.
You shouldn't have. And I'm happy you've realized your mistakes. I hear Ada is sick. Okay. I'll talk to my mom about it and I'll beg her to do something.
Thank you so much.
Fine.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's okay, please, please. You've learned your lessons, right? Stop crying.
I want to thank everybody. Thank you for everything Una don't do for me. God bless you. Yeah. Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
My dear, you see, what matters now is for you to get better, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Sweating.
Thank you, ma.
Oh no. I'm so sorry.
I even put that picture for there.
May I see that?
Sorry, ma. Sorry.
Pauline Okonkwo.
You know my mama?
Yes. She used to be my very good friend right back in the university days. She's such a nice woman. But we lost contact after school and since then I haven't heard anything from her. She's your mother?
Yes.
Oh my God. Paulina. So you are gone like this? What did you leave your kids for in this wicked world? God. And to even think they have been right here in my front, I didn't know who they were. I can't believe this.
Don't worry. Let's use this one.
Yeah, come in, come in. Welcome to my home. You can sit. Come on, sit with me. Just make yourself comfortable, okay?
Welcome home, Ada and Kim. This is your house now.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome home.
Thank you.
Kim. I know we've not been seeing each other eye to eye. You've always been like competition to me. But I think now we should be friends. Friends? No, sisters. You're my sister. So we don't need to compete or do any of that.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for everything I did.
I'm sorry too.
Come on, let me show you to your room. Give me back.
Thank you.
All right, this way.
Thank you. Thank you, Ma.
You're
Thank
welcome,
you so
my
much.
darling. You're welcome. This is now your home. Just feel free and do whatever you want, okay?
Thank you, Ma.
Let me also show you to your room, Ada. Yeah, the bag looks heavy. Oh, yes, Bill. So let me.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you, Ma.
Oh, that's not the formula.
Yeah, I know the formula you're used to. Charlotte is actually long. It's really long. Let me show you a shorter one.
Okay.
Yeah, let me show you a shorter
I
one.
haven't seen.
So if you do this, put this one here first. Then take this here.
What? Just like that?
Easy peasy.
Oh no! Whenever I use the other formula, I always take like one full page.
You see?
You just did this under 2 seconds.
So you have been stressing yourself since.
You know what? Let me try.
Okay, let me try this one.
Let me try the other question. Let me see what's the number 2 question is. Page 59. Number 2. Wow, I really love this formula.
I know you're going to like it. Equals 2f4 minus f minus 1 plus 4.
So tell me, how do you feel about going to school after a long time?
Happy.
I know, I can see it on your face. All right, let's go.